In the last video we talked about how to take input from control room. Now in this video we will talk about how to pass value from that result from one page to another page. We will talk about output parameters. So here you can see we are getting that addition value on this add page. Now if you want to pass this value from this add page to main page so that we can see that value, let me pass some initial value to this data item so that I can show you that output parameters. So 12 and 13 I am passing here. Now if we want to send the output to another page, then we have to use AND stage. If we'll double click on this AND stage, there is a tab that is outputs. I want to pass this addition value to the main page directly. So I will just take one output parameters, click on this and write here result or like addition value, right? So I am taking here result name and I am writing here description is addition value. Now data type will be number. Now here we have a option that is get value from. It means from which data item we want to take value and pass to other. So I want to take value from this add data items. So whatever value we will receive, we will take from here and pass to the result. Click OK. Now go to main page again. Wherever we will call this page, we can take output on that page. I have called this page on the main page, so I will take in that output on this page here. So now again you have to click on add and you can see we have inputs tab and then we have outputs tab. In the outputs tab, whatever value we are taking from that add page, we can now store in this page, in the main page. So what I can do, I can just click on store in. You can see result with the data type numbers has been created. Now click OK. You can see here. Let me just run this here. Let me reset this and here we have 12, 13 and let me click a step into and once we'll pass from this start, we have this value updated here from this main page to this page. Now once we'll click on this step into again, now this data item has been updated. Now we have 25, but if we'll go to main page, currently this data item has not been updated with the current value which is showing on the add page, on the sub page, right? Now as you know that we have updated our output parameter in the AND stage. So once this AND stage will be updated, will be executed, that value will be passed to main page. So you can see as soon as I click on this one and you can see data has been updated. It means by this way we can pass the result value, that output value from one page to other page. It means now we can pass from child page to parent page, child sub page to main page. Now in the next video we will talk about data item visibility.